Hello everyone, welcome to Maneuver. So today we are going to see the second video on data interpretation, and that is also on pie chart. So let's start with the discussion, guys. Before I start, I want to tell you one thing. Thank you for your valuable comment and also for your liking. So please do pass this lecture to the students who are preparing for the entrances. So please do pass and do support us. Let's start with the discussion, guys. So here the following question are based on the pie chart given below. Study the pie chart and answer the question. So here it is something given: printing cost, paper cost, miscellaneous, binding and cutting charges, advertisement. So these are some percentage expenses are given in front of your screen, and now on the basis of that you have to find the answer. Okay, so let's move on with the question, guys. The central angle for the sector on paper cost is, so here asking about the central angle, you have to find the central angle. How will you find? So you know this is a circle, and in the circle if I'll talk about this full angle, okay, then that will be what, 360 degree. So hope you all people must know about that. And if I'll add all the percentage which are given here, so I can say this all percentage will be what, 100%, and that 100% will correspond to what, this 360, the whole total angle. Okay, that is what the total angle, and this is what the total percent. Okay, so hope these things would be clear to you. Now here it is asking about the central angle of paper cost. So paper cost is what, 10%. So I can say 100% is correspond to 360. So I can say I want to find the answer of this 10%. So I can say 1% will be what, 360 upon this 100, and I want to find the answer of 10%. So this will 360 by 100 into this 10, and this will be get cancel, and you will left with 36 degree. So 36 degree will be your answer. And you can also do this question by 100% is given, that is 360 degree. So I can also say you have to find the value of 10%. So just make this 110. So how will you make this 110? By dividing with 10. Now if I'll divide with 10, then we are left with this 10%. So I can say this is not nothing but 10%. And then if you are dividing here, then also you have to divide here. So I will divide here also with 10. So I will left with 36. So I can say also that 10% would be this 36 degree, and that is your option 4. Hope it is clear. Moving to the next one. If the printing cost is 17500, the royalty paid is, so I can say the printing cost is what, 35%. So here this 35% is corresponding to 17500, I can say. And what you are asking, that is royalty paid. Royalty paid is 15%. So I can also say 1% will be 17500 upon this 35, and you have to find the cost of 15%. So I'll multiply this 17500 with upon 35 with this 15. Okay, so 5 3s are 5 7s are 7 2s are 7 5s are and 00, and you will left with 7500. Okay, I have multiplied this 25 into 3, so it will give you 7500. So that is your option 2. Move on to the next one, guys. If the miscellaneous expenses are 6000, how much more are binding and cutting charges than royalty? So first of all, I'll see ki binding and cutting charges, that is 18%. Okay, and how much more than binding and cutting charges than royalty? So where is royalty? That is 15%. So what is the difference between them? So that is what, 3%, that is 18%, and this is what, 15%. So I can say this is, there is a difference of 3% in between them. So here it is asking about the how much more. Miscellaneous is 4%. So I can say this 4% will correspond to that 6000, and you have to find the value of this 3%. So I can say 1% will be 6000 upon 4, and 3% will be this 6000 upon 4 into 3. So that will give you 15 1500 and 1500 into 3, that will give you 4500 is the answer. Hope it is clear, and that is your option 3. Okay, so move on to the next one, guys. So fourth question, the central angle corresponding to the sector on printing cost is more than that of advertisement charges by. So here it is advertisement charges, here it is printing cost, and now it is asking कि central angle जो printing cost का है वो कितना ज़्यादा है advertisement charges से. Here it is asking that only. Okay, so now how will you solve? If I'll talk in terms of percentage, then 35 minus 18, what is the difference between this? So that is what? 17%. So you have to find the value of 17%. So I can say कि 100% is corresponding to 360. Okay, 360 is what? This is central angle, and this is what? Percentage. So now what you have to find? You have to find the value of 17%. So first you will find what? The value of 1%. So 1% is what? 360 by 100. So this will get cancelled, and this will make 36 by 10, and now you have to find the value of 17. So you have to multiply this by 17. So just multiply this 17 by this 36. So 17 6 ja 102, and this is 2. 17 3 ja 51 plus 10, that is 61. If I'll remove this 0, then one decimal will shift back. So this will be your 61.2 degree. So that will be your central angle here. Okay, so option second is your answer. Hope it is clear. Moving to the next one, guys. The paper cost is approximately what percent of printing cost? The printing cost is 35% and paper cost is 10%. So here it is asking that this 10 is what percent of this 35. So what percent of this 35? So you have to write this 35 in base and this 10 in up. And now if you have to find the percentage, so just multiply with 100. So how will you do? 5 7 ja and 5 2 ja. I can write this 200 by 7. अगर ये 2 1 10 होता तो I can say कि 30 आपका आंसर आता. ओके, 30%. ओके, बट ये 210 है क्या? नहीं, उससे थोड़ा सा कम है ना, उससे थोड़ा सा कम है, मतलब 30 से थोड़ा सा कम आपका आंसर आने वाला है. सो दैट वुड बी व्हाट? 28.6. आपको पूरी कैलकुलेशन भी नहीं करनी है. इफ यू वांट टू डू कैलकुलेशन, जस्ट ट्राई एंड सी. 200 by 7, 7 2 जा 14, and how much remain? 7 8 जा 56 and 5 जा और उससे थोड़ा, so 28.5 and little more than that. So that is your option B. Hope it is clear. So this was our 5 question. If you like the session, please hit the like button and please do pass this lecture, the one who is preparing for entrances, and do subscribe our YouTube channel. See you in the next session, guys. Have a good day.